Should you upgrade from the iPhone 13 Pro to the iPhone 14 Pro? Well, today I'm gonna make it easy by giving you guys both the good and bad. The price remains the same with starting cost of $799, which falls in line with the expectations set by the rumor mill. Meanwhile, the larger iPhone 14 Plus comes in at $100 more with prices beginning at $899. And unfortunately still have Wi-Fi 6E, but we do have new Bluetooth 5.3, which will be used for the new AirPods Pro. The standard 14 gives you more of the same, that means identical display notch to previous generation, very similar dimensions and the same diagonal camera array on the bump. iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, they have that this whole cutout, but it now works in an awesome way software-wise. And this is Dynamic Island. It's essentially an area that automatically adapts based on what you're doing, so you can see your Uber delivery, you can see your phone calls, voice recording, and just ton of status updates. We do have some big changes with the iPhone 14 Pro Max over the iPhone 13 Pro Max. We have an OLED display for both the 13 Pro Max and also the 14 Pro Max, no changes there whatsoever. However, the OLED display on the 14 Pro Max is a lot brighter and it will output up to 2000 nits. And the iPhone 13 Pro Max could only go up to 1500 nits. The new entity is the iPhone 14 Plus, which comes with a 6.7-inch display and same as the 14 Pro Max, but with same refresh rate. Unlike the iPhone 13 series, which kind of forgot about the true depth front selfie camera, we've had a big upgrade here. Not only do we have a much wider aperture, but it also now support autofocus for the first time on iPhone. iPhone 13 Pro Max, we have 12 megapixel sensor on the wide, ultra wide, and the telephoto, and this allows up to record 4K video. But we do have that brand new larger sensor on the iPhone 14 Pro Max with a wide sensor or the lens 48 megapixel now. For first time in 5 years, the notch is no more on the Pro and Pro Max, and iOS 16 is available on previous models. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is hands down the most powerful smartphone currently on the planet thanks to the A16 Bionic chip. Now the Pro model will be getting the chip, and the 14 and 14 Max will be using last year generation. Again, another possible reason why the Pro and Pro Max sales will be higher this time around. The larger iPhone 14 Plus comes a far larger battery than that, with an up to 25% increase in longevity over the iPhone 13. So what are your thoughts on the new iPhone 14? Is a great deal to buy when compared to iPhone 13? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.